Sun Visors India Private Limited is the largest manufacturer of sun visors for the automotive industry in India. It is also the principal source of sun visors to Maruti Suzuki India Limited. The company is also into manufacturing of injection molded parts for the automotive industry.
Our focus has always been quality and zero defect, as emphasized by MSIL at vendor meets earlier. We feel it's essential for all companies to achieve this. The importance of 4M, man, machine, method and material is emphasized, manpower being of crucial importance. And thus we started our journey towards creating this new dojo center.
Based on the foundations of company value, mission and vision, and with guidance from Maruti Suzuki India Limited, the dojo model at Sun Visor India Private Limited was formed.
An experienced cross-functional team was formed to framework the dojo model. We faced many challenges at the beginning. First was space. We didn't have enough area in our existing plant to set up the dojo center. We actually had to then figure out how much area was required for the center, keeping in mind a company of our size. We had to plan for trainers who would be responsible and in charge at the center. For all this, we had to plan resources, keeping a certain budget in mind.
Plans were drawn with the most minutest details focusing on micro levels. Layouts were made defining how will it be implemented, what activities will be conducted, which demonstrations will be shown, time duration for each activity to be accomplished, responsibilities and target dates were fixed. Approximate cost was also calculated to keep an eye on the expenses. Last but not the least, dojo champions for each of the pillars were selected from the existing team, who would also be the future trainers. After 2.5 months of infrastructure development, resource management and much brainstorming, the dojo center, named as the Uday Kaushal Kendra, finally became a reality. Training at Dojo Center begins with the introduction of our company's vision, mission, values and objectives, and its reflection in the dojo's objective by showcasing our dojo model's pillars and foundation. At the Dojo Center, there are 6 sections: safety, sensory training, sun visor product and process, quality, instruments, machine and maintenance. At SIPL, safety is always first priority. Therefore, trainees are introduced to features such as firefighting equipment, occupational hazards and its prevention via videos, simulators and personnel protective gear. In the sensory training section, activities conducted are designed to sharpen the senses of the human body. SIPL manufactures variety of sun visors, and in the product and process section, trainees are introduced to the different types of sun visors. Using an actual vehicular condition, the function of the sun visor is also demonstrated. Knowing the sun visor is one thing, but identifying the defective one and the defect in it is important. The quality section showcases the defect gallery where the defective parts are kept. With the help of videos, trainees are explained the various reasons that could cause a possible defect. They are then evaluated by the poison cake test. Manufacturing a perfect sun visor requires knowledge of using precision instruments. In the instrument section, trainees are taught about the various precision instruments they will have to work with. Along with practical training, 1 day of classroom training is also given on quality tools, 4M management and abnormality handling. The next step is to know how a sun visor is manufactured. In the machine and maintenance section, the trainees are introduced to actual models of working machines and the tools used with them. After successful completion of training in the 6 sections, the trainees are introduced to the virtual shop floor. The virtual shop floor gives 2 days of practical training on the various processes and stages of manufacturing a sun visor.
मैंने उदय कौशल केंद्र से ट्रेनिंग ली है, जिससे मेरे आत्मविश्वास में बढ़ोतरी हुई है.
At the Dojo Center, every new worker will be fully trained in all aspects before being inducted onto the shop floor. Even our existing manpower will be trained in a defined manner. We would like to thank MSIL for their support and guidance in helping us set up this Dojo Center. Hello friends, I attended various MSIL quality communication meets where the audio-visual of our Dojo Center was also shown. Here I would briefly like to address some of the frequently asked questions about our Dojo Center. Resources spent were minimum, approximately 10 lakhs. We used an old obsolete assembly line and transformed it into a virtual shop floor. To reduce this cost further, one could also use existing process and show an audio-visual instead of a virtual line. The Dojo Center took us about 45 days from start to completion. Advantages have been immense since we started 7 months ago in terms of manpower motivation, product quality, employee retention, morale, and so on. I would urge everyone to set up a Dojo Center and make it a thumb rule that all manpower is trained at the Dojo Center before being deployed onto the shop floor. Good luck. Thank you.